Hello guys, welcome to Friends in Tech Automation YouTube tutorials. In today's video, I want to explain on how you can install Factory.io. So Factory.io is a 3D simulator. That's where you get to connect your PLC and a factory simulator. You get to understand how process behaves and how you can develop a logic to control different processes. Now, how do you install Factory.io? So the first thing, you have to click this link here. I'll share the link. So this is the link, getintopc.com. So when you click on this link here, or maybe you can just search the getintopc.com, then search Factory.io here. Now, of course, we have Factory.io Factory.io website, so you can just go to Factory.io website also. Factory.io. So you can just go to Factory.io official website. But now, the disadvantage with this here, you have to purchase this software, okay? You have to purchase this software, or maybe you'll be given a trial time for 30 days, then that will be the end of it. But the one that I want to show you on how to install this will last, okay? It will last. So go to Factory.io, then go to get into PC, then type Factory.io here, okay? Then the Factory.io that you'll use here, this is version 2.22 and 2.223. So this is a 3D simulator. It's a 3D PLC simulator. So Factory.io 3D simulator is an impressive application which is equipped with more than 20 scenes. So in our tutorials, in our playlist, we have programmed all these scenes, 20 scenes. So you can watch all these videos for 20 scenes and learn how to be a master in PLC programming. Now, just click on download here. So these are the setup details that you need. At least you need a space of 523 MB. Then this is a setup file for 2.23, version 2.23. So the first thing, you start by installing version 2.2.2, all right? Then after installing that, you upgrade to version 2.223. Now, just click here. Click here to download full setup. Just click here to download full setup, which I have up here somewhere down here. So this is my setup. Getintopc.com Factory.io 2.223. Now, when you extract this file here, you get this here. You'll get this Factory.io 2.223. So these are the steps. So the first step is to install Factory.io 2.22 installer, this here. So you just have to run this as administrator, then that's it. Just double click this here. Then you can run it as administrator, all right? Select language English. So you see that I already have this version 0.22 is already installed in my laptop, so I'll not continue. I'll just click no. Now, after installing Factory.io 2.22, there will be a problem with the license, okay? You see this here, the update checker. You'll be asked to activate license. So before upgrading Factory.io version 2.2.2 to version 2.2.3, the first thing you need to learn how to bypass the license, okay, the C# license. Now, in order to do this here, remember in your download, you have these files here. You have assembly C#.dll. So this is the license file. So I want you to copy this here. Copy assembly C#. Copy this. So I just copy that. Then go to local disk C. This is where Factory.io is installed. Then scroll down to program files x86. Then scroll down to real games. So it is here. This is the folder where Factory.io is installed. Then you can find Factory.io there. Then go to Factory.io _data. Then go to managed. Then you have to delete this here. You'll find an existing assembly C#.dll. So you have to delete this like that. So when you delete this here, after deleting assembly C#.dll, you have to paste the one that you copied, okay? So you have to paste the one that you copied. So you can just paste it here. Continue. And that's it. Now you can find that you have now assembly C#.dll, another one. Now, after installing this will, of course, remove the activate license warning. So after activating your license, now you can install FactoryIO 2.223. So I just go to my downloads here. Here. Okay, fine. Downloads here. So I can go to FactoryIO 2.223. Why is it? Right, just a minute. Things must be somewhere here. Okay, good. Then now we can try to upgrade to 2.223. Just double click on that, then install. So that's how you can install FactoryIO. Just a minute. Of course, this Windows Defender, I can go to more information, then I can run this. But do I really need this version? Because it's actually the same. I don't really need it, but you can just run anyway. Let me just stop that. Now, after installing FactoryIO, let's get started with it. So this is the welcome page. After installing FactoryIO, this is the welcome page. So we have documentation and tutorials. So of course you can get all the tutorials and documents you need here. Just a minute. Documentation and tutorials. Then you can create new scene. You can go to open. You can open your existing scenes, or you can open FactoryIO made scenes here. Now FactoryIO comes with 20 scenes, from scene number 1 up to scene number 20. And I usually believe that if you can program all these scenes, then you'll be a master in PLC programming. You just have to start with first scene all the way to the last scene. If you don't want to use these scenes, you can create your own scenes here. You just go to my scenes, or you can create new scene here. So you get an empty factory floor. Then you can drag, you go to palette here, you can drag components. So we have different components. We have boxes, we have sensors, we have actuators, we have conveyors. So you can place them here, all right? You can just place them here. For example, let's try to place a conveyor, a roller conveyor. So I can select 6-meter roller conveyor, and I can place it there. That's it. I can drag this here, round table or turntable, and place it there. Perfect. I can drag another 6-meter and place it here. But now, if you want to rotate just this to aid movement,